I'm Jenny Reese with Nebraska Extension, and today I'm going to show you tips and tricks for installing Watermark sensors. So first thing that you want to do is look and make sure that you have an even emergence of your corn plants. You don't want any doubles or any skips because that can make a difference on what your readings are. The other thing that I do is I use two different sizes of probes. So this is a regular soil probe with the regular diameter. This is called an egg consultant's tube. This is actually the same diameter as what the Watermark sensors are. And so it allows for a really tight fit for where those sensors meet the soil. Okay, so as I'm installing here, for the first fit sensor I'm going to use the egg consultant tube. WD-40 is my friend. So I'm just going to spray the probe and install this one directly down to the 12 inches. And then I put my feet around the base of the probe so that no soil gets back into the hole. So I just take my hand, run it up the PVC pipe, and then push it in until you get a nice good seal. If you're not sure if you get a nice seal, I take my probe, and because I don't have as much muscles as a lot of people, and I'll just push it in with my probe like this as well. For the second foot, I'm going to use the bigger diameter to make that first foot, like that. And then I'll use the smaller diameter to do the second foot. It's just really important that the base of that sensor hits the bottom of your hole. So if you're not sure, it's always good to take your probe and just make sure that you hit bottom. Take a vice grip, but I get these from Bradshaw, and basically they weld another piece on there. And to take them out, what I'll do, I'll wrap it around the base of the tube, make sure it's tight. I'll twist, basically to try and loosen it. And if it comes up really easy, I can just pull it straight up like this. But if it doesn't come up easy, what a farmer taught me is to use a strap. And this is a pretty small strap, but you can use a wider strap if needed. And so what I do is basically put the strap around that vice grip, and I'll wrap it around me. And so this way you're using your legs and not your back. But I'll wrap it around me, and then I'll just pull it up like that. Hopefully those are some good tips that'll help you as you're installing Watermark sensors this year.